Hello everyone. Have a nice day. In this video, I will show on how to program Rotary Encoder high-speed counter in FX series PLC. Before we start to program, we need to determine our devices and connect out encoder output correctly. We will use two-phase 2 count input. First, connect encoder A phase output to X0 and encoder B phase output to X1. We will use counter number C251. In your GX Works 2, open new project and select FX CPU, then FX3U, and click OK. Then register your special device comments. We will use 4 edge count, so that we will set M8198 to on. Then we will set counter number C251 set value to constant 1234. It can be specified indirectly also. If you are using gear ratio or ball screw, calculate your pulse per millimeter or inch. And your counter reset device. Our program is now completed. High-speed counter or counter number C251 will not count in simulator.